Not possible to be created according to the traditional manufacturing from these microphones. Luis, thank you very much. Luis is helping us with the moving of the slides. Thank you very much. And also to connect the two computers. The 3D printed object.
Produce an implant that nicely fits in there and that I believe helped the patient.
Heart as a testing tools. So, for example, a company were manufacturing some stents can test the medical device and also the delivery device for the stent using this heart and not only using animals.
First important requirement in view to synthesize a complex or heterogeneous functional tissue or organ is to know exactly the combinations and the organizations of the host tissue or the organ that you want to replace.
Something done together instead of hanging on to IP too much. But having said that, that's much more I wouldn't expect that to happen in biotech so much. In bio, I think that the interests are too large and probably a lot of patents will still be filed anyhow. Thank you.
Was able to walk. She attended school again. Outside she walked with crutches, but inside she could just walk like that. And I think that's a nice example of what 3D printing can do, what it can do for medical devices. And with that, I would like to thank you for your attention.
This is a 3D manufactured skull. This would have been more appropriate about 3 days ago for Halloween. The point of this object is that 3D manufacturing, and I'll start using the term additive 3D printing, really allows for the creation of negative space.
Researcher from 3D printing, so I've been researching 3D printing for 3 years now, and mainly from a commercial point of view. I had a question: do you only see like real business opportunities in medical, in aerospace, more B2B environments, or do you also see opportunities in a more B2C environment, and if yes, which ones?
I don't know. In general, I think the biggest part of the industry will be B2B. Let's be honest, most money is often made in that way, and before you can find the same amount of value that you can find in aerospace industry, in automotive industry, just by customers, it's gonna be difficult.